guys, welcome back to This and That, where we create a way. Today I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make pretty Easter eggs. The first one we're doing is a decoupage egg, and they're much easier than they look. You can use a blown out egg, but I'm going to be using a craft egg so I can keep it longer and it won't break. I'm using acrylic paints that match the colors of the napkin. While that's drying, let me tell you about the napkins. I chose some with flower designs on it. You can choose whichever ones you want though. You're also going to want to separate your layers. You want to cut as close along the edge as possible. Now that our egg is done drying, you're going to take the design that you want and place it where you want it. Now that you got your design on, you're going to want to put a thin layer of Mod Podge underneath, but I'm out of Mod Podge, so I'll be using glue. Then you're also going to want to put a layer on top of it. While that dries, let me show you our second egg. For this egg, I'm using blown out eggs that have been spray painted. And I'll be using stickers that I got at the dollar store. I love doing these. The possibilities are endless. Here's some other ones that I've done. This one is my favorite. Make sure to comment down below how you guys decorate your Easter eggs, and also like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next video.